In this demo, I'll show you how to set a base currency in NetSuite. This is crucial when you enable the multiple currencies feature that you've seen in the previous video. So let's get started. When the multiple currencies feature is enabled, your NetSuite country edition sets the initial base currency. In NetSuite One World, it sets the base currency of your root parent subsidiary. For standard NetSuite account, you would go into Setup, Company, and Company Information. For NetSuite One World accounts like this one, you would go in Setup, Company, and then Subsidiaries. So if I scroll down, you would see it here. And then all you would do is click Edit for the subsidiary whose base currency you want to change. Important, make any changes to the base currency before performing any other action in NetSuite. You cannot change the base currency once the record with the currency amount or link has been saved. And that's why on the right hand side you can see the currency, the USD one, which is called USA. You can change that name obviously. I cannot change it because I've already created transactions. But if I hadn't, that's why you would do it. Just a quick example on what it means, these base currencies. If a company in Hamilton, Ontario, Canada is issuing an invoice in USD to a customer in Buffalo, New York, they will see the invoice in USD, but the accounts receivable report will display the amount in Canadian dollar. That's how you set your base currency in NetSuite. If you found this demo helpful, please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.